Hi, I'm Jamie, also known as the Worcestershire Cabinet Maker. The beard's gone down a bit, but I make pieces of furniture like this, like that, like this. But I want to show you some briquette things. I've been making briquettes for the last 10 years out of wood shavings, and in recent years with coffee grinds from a local cafe. The last video I did, I was making these, which you can make with jam jars and tin and a coffee tin. So those are great, those are doing really well. The latest batch is made in margarine tubs and plastic tubs. And what I want to quickly show you, because I don't want to take up your time and I don't want too much editing time to do on this either, because you know only 200 or 300 people will watch this. These are made, and what I've done is I've just squeezed down with an existing one. That's my compression. Squeeze that down, right? But there's some more over here, let me show you, which are wet. So what I did there was, as I was making them and I'd got liquid left over, I poured the liquid back over the top so that it seeped down. Let me show you. Right, so that one there is a compressed down one, which anybody can make. As I say, wood shavings, coffee, bit of water, leave it 2 months and it looks like this. Where are we? This is the latest mix. So that's been in there a few days. This has been in here weeks, and it is compost. It is just like compost, and it burns fabulously. 20 to 30% hotter than wood. Anyhow, that is one that has been compressed. This is one that has been had the liquid poured over, so I'm hoping the liquid's gone down and it looks better than that inside. So let's have a look, see what's going on. Is it better to pour the liquid over? It is better to pour the liquid over. Look at that. It's more, there are less air holes. It's more dense. So yes, it's better. I mean, the idea is that we keep the liquid in there. We're not squeezing the liquid out. We're keeping the liquid in. Let me weigh them. So this is the non-liquid poured over, both made at the same time, 400 grams. And this is the liquid poured over, not that much liquid actually, 420 grams, 425 grams, actually nearly 430 grams. So it's got another 30 grams of liquid, and I'm expecting the burn time on these two to be quite different. So how can you help with what I'm doing? My videos are woodworking videos, but they're also big numbers on making these, and I've tried different things in the past. Sometimes I do how-to videos where it's like a 15-minute video and you learn something, but you won't subscribe. I need subscribers. I need people to subscribe to what I do, because I really need to. I've got so many clips that I almost can't make a finished video because I'm waiting for 2 months. So I need subscribers. I've got 10,000, really pleased with subscribers, and the sharing and the comments makes such a difference, and the likes makes such a difference, but I need more people. 97% that watch these videos don't subscribe. So please be a subscriber, make a difference, because I'm making a difference. These are now being looked at in third world countries where they're looking at my process and it's helping them keep their families warm, cooking. It's helping them, and it's also stopping deforestation, because they're using waste rather than cutting down fresh timbers from bushes and trees, which in some countries can dry out same day. Cut a bush down, it's dry wood by the end of the day. So that's what we're dealing with. Like, subscribe, definitely follow, and look at the other videos. There's a lot of other videos in the playlist, especially on briquettes, make and burn briquettes. There's 28 videos on how I do these, how I used to do them, how I'm doing them now. Follow the journey through. Thanks for watching, really appreciate it. Catch you soon, bye.